Insert the ZLT fill valve into the tank and align the actuator arm so that it crosses over the flush lever. Install the nut, then attach the water supply hose. Set the ZLT to the correct height to prevent siphoning. Twist the ZLT valve counterclockwise to unlock height adjustment. Adjust the height to where the height mark is at least the same height as the overflow tube. If better flush power is needed, it can be raised up to 3/4 inch above the overflow tube. Twist clockwise to lock it in position. Install the bowl refill hose. Position the actuator arm by bending it toward the flush lever. Test by depressing the flush handle to make sure there is no binding. For best results, bend the arm to within 1/4 inch of the flush lever. Do not let the actuator arm rest on the lever. Slide the stop up the line so the actuator shelf rests against the refill hose. Trim any excess line at the bottom of the stop. After turning the water supply on, raise and hold the actuator arm to open the valve until the actuator shelf is below the actuator arm. Allow the actuator arm to drop onto the actuator shelf. Congratulations! Your ZLT fill valve installation is now complete.